Chappie knows that they are. Look at him.
The Rangers down in Texas will be hosting the Minnesota Twins for the first of a 4-game series.
Boy, they came back in a covey tonight. The rabbit doesn't seem to bother them.
Texas leading the Twins 4-0 in the bottom of the second.
You know,
That's a young one that's pecking around right now.
You know what?
Yeah, that's a little young one that's pecking around right there in the grass, picking up the seeds.
Well,
Turn off those TV sets. While all this is going on, the sentry is up on the rail keeping a lookout for hawks. He seems to be the mature male in this bunch. We thought they were gone, but they all came back and they're up on the railing of the deck. At least, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. Isn't that interesting? There they go.